Hey yo boys, it's a boy Mosaic Trader right at your screen, and he's showing you a blank chart and he wants you to predict the market from this point. So yeah guys, it's a task for you. Predict where it can go, and I'll yeah uh, make a reel of it, whether you were right or you were wrong. If you're wrong, just comment. If you're right, comment what did it make you to buy or sell from this point with the like actual reasons. So yeah, and don't just predict like hell. So yeah, here we are with another daily analysis video, beginning with our daily chart. What does it say? So at the end of the video, you do have a great learning thing which you have to listen, or you will just miss out. So yeah, I know the fear of the people. Yeah, they don't want to miss it anything which is going on. Yeah, so here at this point, the market did kind of make the bearish signals that it could make some break of structure or even continue down, but yeah, it really didn't. It just took the yeah, bullish reactions from here. Now it's heading towards the upwards, and like the first um, reverse inversion and inducement candle did form this structure, and you might expect to, yeah, here is also an inverse reversion and reverse inversion and also an inducement. This can also form like again. Nope, it doesn't happen again and again, it does happen a single time. So here we go with this. Let me shift to a 5 minute time frame, and yeah, for an instance, my funded account is still at that same price which you have seen in the previous video, and like yeah, I didn't got a trade here. I did manage to get a trade, but not in a funded account. I was just risking a small amount to, yeah, let's just see what will happen. Yeah, I'll also share what was the logic behind this. I took this trade in a broker. Like, yeah, let me just explain it. Here, when I didn't analyze the market, was a really great market days. Yeah, I didn't post for 2 to 3 days. I like, yeah, 2 days, cause yeah, here was the market when I was yeah, sitting in front of my, yeah, laptop, and after when I shut it, like thinking this would give just a consolidation, and didn't really see the, what you see, an inducement right over here, which was an entry signal for me. I don't know, I just didn't saw it. I'm really freaked, and yep, like that, I missed a really great move. And after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, I see that the market, oh my. And after even that, I this was a Sunday, no shit, it was Sunday over here, somewhere around here, and it was the Monday fall. Yeah, I remember now. And like, here was the Tuesday rise towards the upwards. And by seeing this, when you see this much big fall and this much big rise in a day another, yeah, yesterday you see a bearish bull run, what, bearish run, and like tomorrow you see a bullish run. Like, if you see in a greater time frame, for what I will say, this will make an average. For if you see here till here, the market has fall, and till here the market has risen, so it just makes an average of 0. Yeah, like fall and rise at the same point, which creates an average of 0. So yeah, so here the trend was bullish, which you see, right? Like, yeah, let me just shift to a 15 minute time frame. This episode is will become a kind of boring, but yeah, boring things just play out. Yeah, which most of people do avoid. So yeah, just hear what I'm saying. So as of this created an average of 0 as of my psychological theory, and as of the market was bullish, then I thought of getting a bullish trade right over here, which yeah played really well, cause there weren't a swing shift or any kind of good price actions for the selling zones. And for your instance, here was a really good selling zone from which the market was at that point. Yeah, and for the proof that I took this trade, I have an video that I was posting yesterday, but I don't know what happened to it. It didn't really got posted. I will post it on today. Like, yeah, all of these candles were not there. I was recording somewhere around here. The market was somewhere around here. I just posted, and for you guys to yeah, you guys need proofs. So yes, for the proof, I will post that. So here were the very great selling zones. Yeah, you see, whenever the market has reached this zone, like let me go to a higher time frame. Yeah, even here a selling zone, and even this was a selling zone. And yeah, let me just remove this. You can see a damn thing. Yeah, you see a sell, really nice sell, you see a really nice sell. So all of these zones which you see, like you can't see anything, but yeah, I do see in a clearer way. But yeah, that's the all thing about trading. So yeah, even in spite of all of these selling zones, here the market didn't got shifted and made an average of 0. So whenever the market makes average of zeros, the market just follows the trend which it was making. As of here wasn't any shift, and there was a greater demand at this point. Yeah, so I just bought the trade right over here, and yeah, after returning from my college, I see a TP. So yeah, it was a really good thing. But now for the trade idea, yeah, I've said all of these things, and yeah, for the beginners, it's a really complex thing that I'm explaining right now. All of that I'm making about daily analysis is really complex things, and yeah, you do need a breakdown of and a simplified way to understand what all are these things, man. Oh my god, what is this all? So yeah, in order to understand what all are these, I'll surely make videos of how do I analyze this, that, and I didn't really made a video, so yeah, I will make. So yeah, just keep patience. Good and great things need time and a hell of a lot of patience to play out. So yeah, if you are a person with a mind, just keep patience. So yeah, for the trade idea, we've got a buy side opportunity which we can see right here, and I'm not sure like the market does going to play really like in my way. The market is 50% game, and I am not sure if it will return from this point. Like it's going up, and yeah, let's just see what will happen. Here the analysis, the logic behind this trade is really simple. Like here is a buy side liquidity trend line with bullish structures. Here yesterday it made a really good bearish candle, giving us a swing shift, which really confirmed that here anywhere from this swing range, I mean from here to here, inside this swing range, the market is going to give a sell side trade. It did, but not with a break of structure. of this previous what you say, higher low. According to this higher low. And yeah, I really know that you are not understanding a damn thing. Yeah, I'll make a serious simple breakdown video. Yeah, wow, serious simple breakdown video. So yeah, just wait for it. Here was the what do you say, seller's exhaustion, making the demand supply. The market never really returned there for the demand strengthening. Cause why the demand strengthening? Because here is the bullish market. So you see this sell off again. Here is a liquidity sweep with a shift of, a swing shift of very internal range shift. Yeah, really complex things for you guys. Yeah, I can understand, but yeah, you have to understand what all is going on. So here the market just did create another no break of structure, which does really confirm this trade could really play out. And yeah, I'm just waiting for it, for the setup to form. So yes, yeah, this was a sell exhaustion again, making the demand strengthen, which I marked here. And the market did make some reactions, and here is a shift of very internal range shift. And if you see on a 1 minute chart, you see that this is a swing shift of the internal, very internal structure, which means that here we could have got a trade. But here was 12:30 a.m. I was sleeping like a, yeah, like a, what do you say, I don't want to say anything. like anything, man. I was sleeping around here like anything. And yeah, like this, I was analyzing at this point of time, and it made a no break of structure here, which is good. Let's just see what it's gonna do here. Practically, if you see, it's a swing shift again, which is really making like bearish reactions. It is making a sell off. It did made a good red candle. I need a sweep of this level or even this level, and the trend line is right over here. I need a trap of out of it, and here is a break of structure. And yeah, that's really the thing. The market is bullish. I see ahead for the market to make a break of structure out of this level. I need the market to come here, and I'm looking ahead for the break of structure of all of what of this market just created. So yeah, this could be a liquidity sweep, cause the market is making a good reaction out of it, of liquidity sweep behavior with a no break of structure, which means this becomes a sell exhaustion or even a supply strengthen. Yeah, let's see what will happen. So yeah, that's the trade idea for the Bitcoin, and I'll update you if I have taken a trade. This video is really long, I know that. And oh my man, what is happening? Yeah, so here the gold should come at this area of price 4180 or 4179 for you to buy. And like, yeah, I'm not saying that you have to buy. Like, I'm not predicting the markets, I'm just doing of what the market does. So yeah, yesterday or day before, I did give you this trade. And yeah, you know the entry criteria, right? For you to enter, the market made a really big candle, which means you shouldn't even look at this trade. You just close the laptop and enjoy your day. Yeah. So for the gold, just wait. And now just begins the learning thing of the last 5 minutes. Let me see how much I did record. Oh my, 16 minutes. So yes, there will be a quick 4-minute market structure thing. Yeah, it's a learning thing. So yep, now just listen at this. I have a theory again. At the higher time frame, whenever you see a shift like this, yeah, it's a higher. Let me just go even higher time, another higher time frame. Nope, even more higher time frame. Where is the market? Yeah, so you see in the smaller time frames here, all of the shifts, like where internal shift happen, where internal swing shift happen, break off structures happen, multiple break off structures happen, all of the things happen in the very internal zone or internal zones. And if you see on a bigger scale, which I am just seeing right now at the daily time frame, upon breaking of this level, it just creates what you say is a shift. Yeah, it's just a shift, not even a swing shift. For it had to become a swing shift. Swing shifts take really time in higher time frames, so I am assuming that they don't exist. That swing shifts in the really higher time frame. Yeah, only shift do exist. But yeah, if you see practically, this is a shift, this is a swing shift, which we have got a trade right like here at this zone. So yeah, anything is possible in markets. So upon seeing all of the analysis from the zoomed in thing, which you can see, yeah, all of the market structures happening, really complex thing happening, break off structure, this, that, liquidity sweep, all of the things which you happen on the smaller time frame. Upon seeing on a higher time frame like this, yeah, that pause was needed. Upon seeing on a higher time frame, you notice it's just a shift, which just a shift on a higher time frame. And like here, it didn't really even broke the level, which just suggests for us to just buy. And like, let me just explain you it even more clearly. Right at here, you see a really nice sell-off. Okay, we see a really nice sell-off with a break of structure again here. Okay, so again we just move to a 1 minute time frame for you guys to make things really clear. So yeah, I just ignore this circle. Let me just make it a little bit smaller. Okay, now you see the whole market is bearish, really bearish. Right now you need to hear this. This video is going to be long, and yeah, please hear this. This is really informative and no one talks about this. Yeah, let me just change this to this. Now, upon all of the bearish structures at the higher premium or discount zones or anything, yeah, by the way, this formation happened at a discount zone. Let me just show you real quick. Yeah, it's a discount zone. At this zone, yeah, the structure was formed, which was really nice. And like, yeah, let me just explain this. Upon all of these bearish markets and everything, you see a shift. Okay, and what does the shift suggest? This range which you see, it just breaks, which means now the newer, let's just hide this. The newer range is this. This shift means the market could even reverse from here, or just ignore the shift and continue lower, making this a fake shift, making this a trap. Okay, now after this shift, internal shift, where internal structure shift, you access the area of this range. Yeah, and even after breaking out of this level, which it did break this level, it did got a break, making a swing shift of very internal range structure. This is a very internal range upon seeing on a higher scale, really higher scale. So yes, this is a really internal swing or shift. Yeah, like you see the complexity of this thing. I'm trying to make you understand, but the thing is really complex. Like, yeah, a lot of people will just leave this video like, yeah, they just don't see it. So yeah, that's just the thing of winning people. You got it. If even someone is seeing this video at this point, yeah, if you are seeing this video at this point, just, yeah, type nice in the comment box. So yeah, the where internal shift happens, where internal swing shift even happens. This swing shift confirms for the access of, yeah, a higher zones till this zone, this range. Yeah, let me just make it clear. Yeah, this range, this swing shift allows the market to reach at these levels of the market. Now at these levels the market has got up. The market could have just done another very internal shift, very internal swing shift. At the very internal swing shift, you get a confirmation that the market is going to fall, but it didn't make that swing shift, very internal swing shift, not letting to access the bearish side, with just break the structure. So at this point it became internal structure swing shift. So at the swing shifts, right besides the swing shift, we get a formation of a trade. After this internal swing shift, we get a swing shift of higher time frame range, which really confirms here we'll just are going to get a trade. So you just need to wait like a hawk, and if you had, you would have just captured this, and which I just really missed out. And yeah, I just think of, yeah, what I just missed, and I just journal it. Yeah, that's even a mistake. Journal your mistakes, fix it. This video is going freaking long than expected, which is really fine. Yeah, like, yes, this what you say, structural shift which you see on a higher time frame just looks like an illusion of a shift. Yeah, only a shift. It just creates an illusion of shift on, even on a really high time frame. Yeah, you see, like even higher, no, not this much high. Yeah, you see, like, this is a shift, right? Yeah, this just creates an illusion that a higher time frame just creates an illusion over a lower time frame what really is happening. So yeah, market is all of illusions, traps, this, that, and everything for the dumb people to keep out of it and keep the money out of their range. So yeah, the market is designed in the way for you to, for the dumb people. I'm not saying dumb people, but yeah, the way the thing I'm just saying that to keep the dumb people out of the markets and not letting them to make money, they created all of these illusions, time frames, and traps, this, that. The one who masters all of this will become one of the greatest masterpieces of all time, which you see I kinda have. Actually, yeah, man. Yeah, let's just leave it. And yeah, I was explaining this. Like, you shouldn't say that you're professional. Is that no? Be humble. Yeah, that just plays out. Be humble. Act like normal. Act like every single person is doing the same thing. Like if you see in a society, everyone has a job. Yeah, that's normal thing, right? After even upon achieving all of these things, you should think of it becoming normal. Yeah, you should think like all of these things are normal, right? All of the people do it, right? Yeah, this much deep analysis, right? All of the psychology that they put in, right? Yeah. So yeah, 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 yeah. So yeah, that pause was worth it. So you understand, like upon seen on a higher time frame, just swing shift of high time frame range just looks like a normal shift, which isn't really on a lower time frame. So here we get a consolidation. That was the reason of this consolidation. Okay, and then we just get a trade of a liquidity buildup. So yeah, that's really it for the video, guys. And I really freaking get you guys that don't understand any of these things. But yeah, I'm just going to make a video of it, guys. Just chill. And thank you guys for your support. And are you watching at this point? Even are you watching the video at this point, you are just going to become a successful person. Doesn't matter what everyone says. Every other people are just dumbos, like swinging around with life. They aren't even doing the work which they had to do, and like suffering. They are suffering with pains. The people you see in the society, so-called society, which they aren't even uh, yeah, having a lot of minds, this and that. Like, yeah, there are people full of shit. They don't have their opinions, and they don't have data. They don't think in a way to make themselves more good. They are just trying to make everyone else good. Like, what's the point? So yeah, every other people you see are dumbos. For the dumbos, which you can do a good thing, is make them learn. And I'm not saying it in a wrong way, negative way. Yeah, it's just fine. The life now has become right like that. Yeah, this social media, this that. I really know, and I'm sorry if someone get offended. And yes, I'm not even making this to offend anyone or anything. Like, I'm saying this in general. Like, the days now have become like that. And oh my god, I can't imagine in the future what all is going to happen. Yeah, but just, yeah, I'm just excited for the future. But yeah, you know what are the mixed emotions. So yeah, you are getting life advices, this, that, and advices all in a trading video. So yeah, you see how much informative of a trading video can be. Yeah, an average trader's mindset. So yeah, become trader, guys. You will just get unlocked with a whole freaking new alien mindset. So yes, guys, thank you for watching it. And yeah, be different. And by that being said, signing off, Mosaic Trader.